This is the Phenyx Pro Wireless PTV-2000. It's a 4-channel, 4-mic wireless system that you can set up within about 10 minutes, and we're going to show you how to do that. So it is plug and play. It comes with batteries. It comes with the antennas. This is great if you're using it in a church, in a school, at a karaoke night, personal reasons, bingo night, any kind of thing that you can imagine. For a kind of a low scale production, this is going to be something that you're going to be able to use. It is plug and play. It's just super easy to install. A couple things I want to emphasize: what comes in the box. You're going to get, and I'm just reading this straight off the box, the 4-channel VHF wireless receiver with a mixer. It's got an XLR and a 1/4 inch outputs, 2 antennas, 4 VHF wireless handheld microphones with batteries, 8 batteries, AA batteries, 1 power adapter, 1 6.5 millimeter audio cable, and the user's manual. So we'll unbox right now, and I'll kind of walk you through each one of those things. Let's jump into it. Okay, so right out of the box, we're going to have our user's manual. You're going to get a sticker that you can throw on your box. You've got your power cord right here. Got your power cord right here. Sorry, this is your power cord and this is your mic. And there's your adapter right here. So you can take this from basically a 3.5 jack all the way to a traditional mic. Here's your antennas. We'll show you where these go. This is nice. This is full metal right here on your receiver. So here's your outputs here for your XLR mics. Here's your adapter here, your antenna, your DC output here. Here's all your volume controls. The nice thing is about all of these go to the same channel, so you don't have to adjust one individually at a time. So we'll talk about more of that when we get that plugged in. And then I'm actually just going to use one mic. We won't plug in all of them, but I wanted to show you one mic here. These are plastic. Right here, you've got your battery power, your on, your mute, and your off. So mute is in the middle, on is on top. Super easy to use right here. This just unscrews. You're going to throw your batteries right on there. You've got this pop cover right here, which is metal, and then the mic is inside of here. And this actually twists off separately to get your mic right there. So it is not an omnidirectional mic. It is more a top-down mic. You want to make sure that when you're using that but for karaoke, for church, different purposes like that, this will be phenomenal. So there's your mic right there. Let's put in some batteries and get this thing installed. So we've got our DC, we've got power. Turn that on. The antennas are just going to screw right in here. And then these will bend at 90 degrees. There are 2 of them. Make sure those lock into place. There's that. We take our XLR mic right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in into the speakers. Just let me grab those speakers just a second. Okay, so once you get it plugged in, super easy, right? So I'm actually using the converter in this amp, so this is just a Fender amp. I can actually use the aux in 3.5 or just go straight to the XLR. You can see right here that I'm on channel 3, or I'm on the 3rd mic here, and then right here, mute. When I turn it off, the light goes off. When I turn it on, it goes on. And then when I get close, you can hear, this is probably going to be pretty loud, or at least you're going to get some reverb from the mic that I'm wearing. And the cool thing is right, you can change the volume both on the receiver or on the amp, depending on what you're using. And like I said earlier, this is nice. If you have a little small speaker for karaoke, is you can just plug in the adapter, throw it in the aux, takes a second to register, And then when I come back to the mic, it will pick up before we blow out the speakers. There we go. So we're back in the mic, and you can see that it is coming through the amplifier. It is better through XLR, obviously, just because the cable's a little bit bigger, and that's what these amps are made for. So if I switch back and forth again, but the convenience of doing both is that you have the ability to go back and forth between that adapter, the 1/4 adapter, and the XLR. Super easy to use, plug and play. Literally took me 2 minutes to set this up. As far as usage, this is going to be more of home, probably church, karaoke night, bingo night, something of that, like public speaking. You would plug into a different system, a much bigger commercial system that goes throughout an entire building. But if you have a good speaker system and you can get this set up, this is going to do really, really, really well for you. So I appreciate you watching, and enjoy your Phenyx Pro wireless microphone system. My final thoughts on the Phenyx Pro 4-channel wireless mic system. It's fantastic, right? It's plug and play, literally one of the best mic systems and receivers that you can get for the price. The beautiful thing is it does come with batteries, which I know that sounds like a big deal, but then you don't have to go buy something else. That's one of the worst things is, you go get something, it comes, or you order it and have it shipped, and then it shows up and it's not everything that you need. The compatibility is really nice with the XLR cable and the 1.4 or the 6.3 millimeter jack that you can use. The volume control is really, really nice. You've got extendable antennas. So your distance, you're going to be able to get about 160 feet straight line. So that's the size of any size auditorium, gym, church, bingo hall, dance hall, different things like that that you could use this for. We talked about all the things that were included in the box for the banging price, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. The make is really, really good. All of the microphones are plastic, come with the batteries. They're, you can basically take them out, install. The receiver itself, if you remember, was all metal. It's a really, really high quality for the price that you're going to get. So if you've never used it, and this is kind of your first delve into microphone systems and receivers, really all you need is an amp, right, or a speaker to plug into, and this will plug into it. It's just one power cord. That's all you need. You don't need a bunch of other things. I mean, obviously, if you're going a big distance, you would need an extension cord. But out of the box, this is ready to go for new users of microphone systems. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.